Good morning, students. Today I'm going to teach you something about fractions. So here, see, here is one page, a complete page, and a complete page is called a whole. WHOLE, whole. It is called a whole. It is a complete page. Okay, but when I fold it into two parts. Correct? When I fold it into two parts and divide it, so this one page, this one whole page will become two parts. Okay? So when we talk about a whole, it is always denoted as one. Because when we talk about a whole, it means one whole, a complete thing. Okay? Like I have divided that page into two parts and now it is looking like this. Now it is looking like this. Okay, here is one and it is the second paper. So now what are we going to do is we are going to fold it in another two parts. See, I am folding this one, this half into two, or any other. You can fold it like this also. You can fold it like this, but I am folding it like this. So this is half part, and I am folding it into two, and this is also a half part, and I am folding it into two. Now I will divide these four parts and it will look like this. Okay, 1 2 3 4. It means that for the whole page we have a whole page I have divided into four parts. Now I am going to divide into more parts and it should be equal. I have folded them. Now if those were four parts and I have folded them again, so how many parts it would be? It would be four parts. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So these are 8 parts. It means that I have divided the whole page into two. First I have divided them into two parts and then into four parts, then into 8 parts. Okay, like you have a chocolate. Okay, you have a chocolate, then and you have two people around you. You have to distribute a chocolate into two persons. Then what would you do? You will divide the chocolate into two parts. Correct? So now you know that that fraction shows the part of a whole. Okay, if it is a whole part, so fraction, what fraction shows? Its part only. Okay, it is one whole and I have divided them into 8 parts, so it become 8 parts of a whole. Okay. Okay, now I am going to tell you about a fraction and how does it look. Okay. See, we know that a fraction shows part of a whole. It is denoted by numerator and denominator. Now see, a fraction is always like this. Like it is written as 2 by 3. Okay. It means 3 is the whole. It means that we have a paper or we have a chocolate which has 3 parts and I have divided them into the 3 parts of the chocolate to 2 people and I have still one part left. Okay. So 2 by 3, its top number is always a numerator and its bottom number is called denominator. Okay, and the denominator denotes the whole. Okay, keep it in your mind that the denominator denotes the whole and it can never be 0. Okay, the denominator can never be 0. Okay. So now we are going to learn about the different types of fraction. So the first type is proper fraction, second is improper fraction, third is mixed fraction, fourth is like fraction, and fifth is unlike fraction. So first we are going to learn about proper fraction. What is a proper fraction? See the definition. A fraction in which denominator is greater than the numerator. Denominator means the down number, the bottom number. It means that I have written 5 in denominator. So the fraction which denominator is greater than the numerator, it means the numerator is always a small one. They say I have written 2 by 5. So it is a proper fraction where denominator is small and a denominator is greater than the numerator. Okay. Now the second is improper fraction. What is improper fraction? By the name you can understand it. It is improper way. See, a fraction in which the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. See, it is the opposite of proper fraction. It is saying that it is actually, its numerator is bigger. See, I have written denominator bigger than the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So it is a improper fraction. Okay, and 3 by 3 it is equal to each other. Okay, where denominator and numerator is equal. See how it has become 3 by 2. See, like I have a pizza. Okay, it is written as 3 by 2. It means a pizza has 2 parts only. Okay, so how can we divide the 2 parts of a pizza into 3? So what will we do? We will bring one more piece of a pizza. Okay, so we have a whole pizza and a part of a pizza. So 1, 2 and 3. Okay, it means 3 parts of a we are taking 3 parts. Okay, but one whole. Okay, one whole and one part. Okay, now let's see mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? A fraction in which the whole number and a proper fraction in which a whole number, whole means a complete pizza, we can say. Like it is 4 is a whole actually. 4 is whole. It means we have taken 4 pizzas. Okay, 1 by 2. It means we have taken one part of another pizza. Okay, that is why it has become 4 1 by 2. Mixed fraction, always when we simplify mixed fraction it becomes improper fraction. Okay, how? I will tell you. See, first of all, what I am talking about, that 4 pizzas, okay, and half. Like you, like somebody tells you to bring 2.5 spoons of sugar. Okay? So what do? You bring 2 spoons and 1/2 spoon. Correct? So it is a improper fraction. Like you have been told to bring 2.5 spoon of sugar. 2.5. It means you will bring 2 full spoons of sugar and 1/2 spoon. Okay, 1/2 spoon of sugar, and it will become 2.5. Here like that 4.5. It means 4 pizzas I have brought and half also. Okay, here it is 9 3 by 5. It means 9 whole and 3 by 5 of another one. And 7 4 by 7. It means 7 is the whole, यानी कि 7 holes है, and 4 by 7 is of another whole. Okay, for 4 by 7. So it is a mixture of whole and proper fraction. Now like fraction. What is like fraction? fractions having the same number as denominator. It is very easy to identify because it has same number of denominator. So like this 2 by 9, 3 by 9, 6 by 9, 8 by 9. It means if its numerator are different but denominator are the same. That is why it is called like fractions. Okay, now the fifth part is unlike fraction. What is unlike fraction? Fractions having different denominators. Its denominators are always different from each other. Like 2 by 5, 6 by 7, 8 by 9. Its denominator are different. Okay. One is also that unit fraction. Unit fraction has 1 as a part and whole can be anything. It means in denominator the number can be anything, but in numerator it is always 1. That is unit fraction. But here you have to understand what is fraction, which has numerator and denominator, and its types are proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, like fraction, and unlike fractions. Now I have some practice questions. See, you have to find out numerator and denominator. So you know it very easy that the top digit is always a numerator and the bottom digit is always a denominator. So here 2 by 7 in this, it is numerator and it is denominator. Here also it is numerator and it is denominator. It is numerator and it is denominator. Without thinking anything, the top number is numerator and the bottom number is denominator. Now see, it is find proper fraction and improper fraction. What is proper fraction? What is improper fraction? I have told you that improper fraction it is always the whole number is bigger, the denominator is bigger than the numerator. So see first which denominator is bigger than the numerator. Is it? No. Is it? No. Is it? No. Is it? Yes. It means it is proper fraction. And 9 by 5, its denominator is not greater than the numerator, so it is improper fraction. 15 by 10, its denominator is smaller than the numerator, it means it is also improper fraction. And here 3 by 3, it is equal to each other, it means it is also improper fraction. Now here convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. It is very easy that I have told you that it is the whole and it is proper fraction. And when we convert it into normal fraction, it becomes improper fraction. So see, when you have this 2 1 by 4, okay, so what we do, we multiply these things and whatever is the product is added to this number. Like it is 4 2, so we will do 4 multiplied by 2 plus 1. These two numbers will be multiplied and we add the numerator. So 4 2s are 8 plus 1, it means 8 plus 1 is 9, and 9 by 4. It is always 4 because it will be, the denominator will be the same, because in all the whole the number will be the same. Okay, it is 2 by 4. 4 is to 1 by 2. See, 4 is to 1 by 2. 2 is multiplied by 4 plus 1 upon 2. So 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9, 9 by 2. 7 into 7, so 7 into 7 plus 4 upon 7. 7 7s are 49, 49 plus 4. Yes, yeah, 53 by 7. So these are all improper fractions. So we have converted mixed fraction into improper fraction. Hope you like the video. Thank you so much.